While many investors hoped this week would see higher volumes and volatility than last week, trading finished with more of a whimper than a bang. This was down to continued European fears and a prosaic start to quarterly earnings season. Ratings agency Fitch cut 4 Hungarian banks, and Mario Draghi noted his concerns about the stability of the state as one of the serious risks remaining in the Eurozone. Nicolas Sarkozy responded to rumors about a French downgrade, calling the ratings agencies, quote, exasperating. The Swiss National Bank reiterated its commitment to keeping the franc pegged to the euro at or above the 1.2 level. Central Bank Chairman Philip Hildebrand resigned after news leaked about a controversial currency trade on his wife's account just weeks before the initial currency peg. Headwinds on the high street limited equity gains as well. Outdoor equipment store Blacks, recently placed in administration, was sold to JD Sports for £20 million. Sports Direct, which owns 21% of Blacks, expressed disappointment that their earlier bid was rejected and estimates it has lost over £50 million in equity in Blacks over the last 2 years. Supermarkets further highlighted the tough consumer environment. Tesco's Christmas trading fell short of expectation, and Britain's largest grocer issued its first profit warning in over 20 years. William Morrison and Sainsbury's shares also felt sector knock-on. Across the pond, 2 Dow constituents reported quarterly earnings. Alcoa was a bit disappointing, and the metals manufacturer blamed charges associated with limiting its high-cost smelting operations. JP Morgan's results were also a bit short, with investment banking revenues down 52% compared to 1 year ago, although retail and commercial banking are both making good strides. Now, looking ahead to next week, Monday will be pretty quiet since U.S. equity markets are closed in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Statements from Rio Tinto and Burberry come on Tuesday, and Man Group reports on Wednesday. It's a big week for the U.S. banks, though, with quarterly earnings from Citigroup and Wells Fargo on Tuesday, Goldman Sachs on Wednesday, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, American Express, and BB&T all report Thursday. Tech giants Microsoft and Google also report after the bell.